That one looks really good. I don't want that one though. What's this one here?
It's gonna be a Napoleon, so it's just a crispy wafer with diplomat cream and fondant icing.
Do you like it? Have you tried it?
It's not one of my favorites. It's
No.
a very popular item here, though.
If you don't like it, I'll trust you. Is this cheesecake?
It is.
Is this caramel? I'm sorry.
Yeah, salted caramel brownie.
Oh, I didn't see that. Sorry. Yeah, I'll take one of those. A tart? Is this a tart?
It is.
And those blueberry?
This one is mixed berries, so blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries.
And the cream is...
It's based on the almond pastry cream, but you can't taste it though.
Would you prefer that one or the strawberry, or the regular, just plain strawberry one?
The regular ones, because they have a vanilla pastry cream under them.
I'll take the strawberry one. And then that's it for me.
If you want any of these for dinner or all together.
So I guess this one for here, and the palmier for here, the rest to go.
Okay. And if you want this warmed up?
Yes, please. Yes, love. What's your iced sizes? Your iced sizes.
We have 12 or 15 for all of them.
For all of them, I'll do a. Do you drink coffee?
No.
No, I was gonna say, what's your favorite coffee? I want to just do maybe an iced Americano. 16 ounce, yeah.
Actually, 50 ounce iced Americano. Did you want that in a mug or to go for?
Sorry?
Do you want that in a mug or to go for?
Oh, a mug is fine, yeah.
So 50 ounce Americano in a mug ice. Anything else for you?
Is there sweetener in it?
What would you like?
I just want to add like maybe, yeah.
Anything else for you?
That's it for me, love. Is it good?
It's just bigger. I need some sugar.
When's flour tea? The Yakult in Charlotte. Oh, in
Oh my god, guys. We came here and it's freaking closed. I can't even. I'm over it.
The Metro.
Not the Metro.
Let's take a photo in front of it though. It's cute.
And they have like little stuff, Maria.
I was about to take it.
I'm Maria about to take my stuff.
I think that's all for the Korean Cheetos.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Where is it at?
What? You can wait.
Yeah, that cup is
We got the goods.
I love the South Carolina license plate.
They're cute.
I think South Carolina.
Let them know, Genesis.
They're ugly as fuck.
Right.
I'm like, what else is there to eat?
Right. Literally.
Oh wait, this damn peach.
Yes. That was nice. Oh my god, why is she so cute? Stop. She's mid.
Mid. My mom wanted one of these to grow and it flopped. It literally flopped.
We both had a conversation with kind of just like that, it's hard when a person does with babies.
And my curls are all over the place.
My sister is 4 feet tall.
Is she? How old is she?
I think 8. She's gonna be tall.
Yeah, she's gonna be tall.
For real. And she's really tall and skinny. She's the only skinny one. I
Is
was
she?
chubby during that age.
I was skinny when I was younger, like real skinny. But now,
I was never skinny. The only lowest I've been is 150 pounds. But I was like body dysmorphia, so I was so big.